Hey Junior Wildcat Club members! Today we're going to show you how to fold your happy birthday paper airplane. Start by folding the card in half and crease on the dotted line. Then you'll fold the first triangle to match the half crease. Repeat on the flip side. Then, crease the inside wing like so. Repeat on the other side. And for the final wing assembly, fold to reveal the happy birthday text on one side and the Junior Wildcats Club logo on the other. Ta-da! Now take your paper airplane for a test flight. Happy birthday, Junior Wildcat!